We are here in Alexandria Zoo. This is our first time. We're all here. Okay. Come on, Jessica. Come on. Come this side.
You don't see
There's a monkey right there.
Yellowish?
Yeah, he's hanging. Yeah, he's hanging. Aww.
Where is he?
It's right over there by the lamp. By like kind of like a lamp.
Oh, I see it!
You see it?
You're cold, baby. Oh, my baby. It's cold. Okay, keep your hands warm. Keep your hands warm, okay? It's freezing.
Mira el agua también. Vamos a one of these, like, that's how I would love to live.
I know.
It's a parrot. Oh my goodness.
Largest parrots reaching 3 feet from head to tail. That's the name of the parrot. Look.
What's his name? Oh, it's a macaque.
Macaque. Oh, isn't it? Hey, isn't it like the ones from Rio, the blue one?
Oh my god. Wow.
There's two.
Oh, both of them. Look at this.
I think it is.
Wow.
Look at me, like came out like to just give you a close up.
Isn't it a macaque? Oh, look at that. Wow. A close up. Look at all these fish. They're beautiful. This is our first time here, guys, so we're gonna share our experience from the Alexandria Zoo here in Louisiana. Oh, look at these. Look how beautiful they are. You guys can run if you guys want, so you guys can keep yourselves warm. So this is the monkey that we were seeing earlier. It's a golden lion tamarin. And it says range Brazil. That is so awesome. Ooh, where is he? He's hiding from us.
He's inside.
Now we are seeing the flamingos, and I think Janjan likes the flamingos. You like it, Janjan? Yeah, you like it?
I like.
Oh my
wow,
god.
they're so long and cheap. Oh, look at those.
Oh, he poked him. The other one poked his butt.
Yeah.
Take it away. I want all the attention. Look at those tortoises.
High touch.
I think we saw one of these at the, wasn't it SeaWorld?
One is like sleeping. No, he just has his head in. Oh yeah, he's got his head all in.
Wow.
Yeah, man, it's cold out
So
there.
now we're looking at these crested screamers. They do have two. Yeah? What's the other one? Let's go check where the other one's at. Come on, Jan Jan, come on. Come on, Jan Jan. Where's the other one? There's two. It says two. I think I saw it over there. Oh, he's over here, guys. He's over here. Come on. Let's take you. Let's get close to him. Wow. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Oh, you hear me, huh? You hear me? It's cold out here. It's cold out here. Look how cute it looks. Now we made it to the parrots, and they do have these green ones. That's the green-cheeked Amazon, the yellow-headed Amazon. Oh, baby. Janjan's enjoying it. Oh, let me show you. Where is he? Aquí está.
Where's the other one at?
I know, there's supposed to be two. Where? Oh, he's over here. Look at him.
I saw a tiger.
You saw it? No. That is scary.
Saw a tiger in there?
Go, Janjan. Go, Janjan. You can do it. Go, go, go. Yay.
Wow.
Now we made it to the Jaguars. Okay, they have two different ones. It tells you there.
Look
Where
how
is
cool
he?
that is. See, look at him over there.
Oh my God! Look at that.
He came running from over here. Like he was inside, I think. And then
Oh,
he came running.
he's so scary. Just to think that if that thing goes out, woo, dead.
I'll tear you into pieces.
I know. We'll be their steak.
It'll be their lunch.
They're like, that's a really nice sirloin right there.
Let's get a close up over there. on that side, so he's just going in circles.
Daddy, Dad is tired. She's like, no, no, no. I'm tired of the coldness.
Keep an eye on his like, little hands, okay?
Yeah. I will.
He's gonna want to poke his hands too. Be careful.
No, we're not gonna let him put his hands through the.
Yeah,
With the that'll be crazy. Over here, wait for mommy, okay? Wait for mommy and puppy. We're all going together. Some more birds. Oh,
Look at the bird mom.
oh, they're so cute. These are all cute birds. Let me get you guys a close up. Now these, look at that. He's eating. He's like, I'm taking a little break. Oh, they have two different kinds. They have two different kinds. Look, the rodents and the kangaroos. There you go. Those are the two species that they have there. I know. And there's only one?
Yeah, they only got one from the look of it.
Wow, guys, this is the closest I've been to
Jaguar.
any kind of jaguar, lion, tiger. Look at that.
Giant cat.
I know, any kind of cat, am I right? That is insane. I think he's desperate to get out.
Wow.
Is that his mouth?
That was insane.
We have the black howler monkey, and they're actually on top. There's two.
Out there in the wild, in the wilderness.
There's that little dini.
The black and the brown. I know, baby. Guys, my hands are literally freezing, but we're out here. We're out here looking at the animals. Okay, now we're here looking at the Brazilian. I don't know how to pronounce it. Taper? I'm not sure, guys, but you guys get the point. Let's go over here. I think there's only two. There's two. There's two. Look, there's one over here. Wow, you see him? Oh yeah, this is a different one. This is called a. What is it called, Gio?
A capybara.
Oh. It's the semi-aquatic rodent.
It's like a giant hamster.
I know, it is like a giant hamster.
Dude, that is
Pretty cool.
Looks like a hedgehog, a giant
Over
hedgehog.
here. Smile for the camera. So right here it says anteater.
Like giant.
A giant anteater. Where is he?
Yeah.
Is he hiding?
Yeah.
Because I only see this
Like,
one.
Actually, if you look at it from this angle, it looks like a bunny. It has the face of a bunny.
Aww.
Right, baby? It looks like a giant bunny. Like those right
Kind of
there.
like a mix with a bunny and rat. Crocodilian.
Look at that. Crocodilians are the largest of the living reptiles. So there's obviously different.
Yeah,
four
there's.
different types.
There are 23.
species of crocodilians.
Dang.
Crocodile, caiman.
Oh, he's so
alligator,
tiny.
and gario.
Yeah, I see him.
He's so
Mira,
tiny.
it's over here.
It's small or big?
It's a small one.
Oh, it's small one. Yeah, I see it.
Look, you see it right there?
Small.
Pretty small. Ese es un caimán.
This one is ahí está.
El caimán is like, yeah, caiman.
Yeah?
Oh, mira los ojos, baby.
Yeah?
Dale un besito.
He's looking right at me. He's like, don't point the camera. He finally turned. Look, he's staring right at us. He's like, what? Are you recording? So chill. Oh, look at them. They're keeping themselves warm. So good.
Brillante, just like
It's a Tyra?
No, ¿te acuerdas el video ese que
Or
like,
it's a Tate?
Right
Tate?
there.
Or Ty?
¿Cómo que se llama?
Tara?
No, remember the that one thing baby, que traen el video que lo
Oh no, that's a honey badger.
There you go. That's what it looks like.
This is not a this is not a honey badger though.
It looks like a honey badger.
Dude.
Train depot, education center.
Come here, buddy. Oh, they look so desperate to get out. Poor things. This way to the Louisiana habitat. As you guys can see. Oh no, no skunkies around, please. Look, you guys can take a picture over there. Where they have the Christmas trees on the wall.
No.
It says Alexandria.
It's a picnic pavilion.
More like skunk.
No skunkies, please.
Mama, what's your video?
This is just to relax and eat over here. This is like for lunch.
Don't touch it.
There's nothing over here, guys. It's just like to take a little break. Let's take a picture right there. Look, go away, papi. Papi's gonna sit down on the chair and I'm gonna take a picture of you guys.
I'm not gonna go.
Go away, papi. Ándale. There's another animal that we're looking.
A demo Iseli crayon.
Oh wow, Gio. Nice. That's how it looks. And I think there's only one.
I meant to say crane.
Crane? Oh, okay, papi. It's okay. I think there's only one here. Alright, let's go check out the other ones. This one is the red River Hog. And here it is. Oh, look at this. It's kind of like Timon and Pumbaa.
And I read them.
Is it the one from Timon and Pumbaa from the Lion King? Oh no, but the Lion King one has a little, like the little horns, you know?
Yeah, they're growing horns.
Oh, they're growing them, huh? Oh, yeah, I can see them. Oh. Hello. 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 Okay, now we're looking at the squirrel. And he's up there. He's working it. Look at him go. I think there's only one left. Oh, hold on. Let's go see what he's doing. That's cute. Okay, now we're looking at the cougar. And he's right over there. He's just chilling like a villain. Look at them eagles. Fly, eagle, fly. He said hi to you, Jill. He said, what's up, dude? What's up?
What's up, dude?
Do you wanna race?
Look at the bigger one down there.
Do you want to race underneath the water?
Look at the bigger one down there. Look. There's a much bigger one down there. Look, his neck is all the way up.
Oh yeah, I see that.
Oh wow. Never in a million years would I want to get or come across these, because these are snakes. I hate snakes. So no, I don't like snakes, guys. I'm terrified by snakes. I don't like them at all. Let me see over here. I think we passed. Hold on, baby. Oh, there's a big one right there. You guys can see it. And there's one up here. Snakes everywhere. Let's go. Oh, look at the otter. He's so cute. Look at these.
That's angry birds right there.
Angry birds.
Orange bird and red bird and white bird. The red bird, the angry bird, and pink bird.
Look at that one over there. Look at the beak. They have different beaks.
Mama, the red one.
Oh, what's his name? Florida Sandhill Crane. Say hi. Hi. Look, oh. Hi. Cougar.
Eso también. No, it's scary. Oh, they're very scary. I was like, I'm not interested. Hold on.
He's like, leave me alone.
There's one out. I think he... Oh, there's more. There's two out. We gotta tell the people, get on?
Yeah, I gotta tell them.
Look, guys. Uh-oh, they're out.
Look at that.
Wow. Does it take a picture of me? What kind of species is this one? Shows you over here. This is a condor. A vulture. Oh, babe, this is a vulture.
You did
Okay,
too.
we're gonna get a coin. What are you gonna get, Daddy? Get it, Daddy, get
Yeah,
it.
eagle too.
You got an eagle too?
Wait.
2 eagles.
Actually
Wow.
3.
Okay, next time we'll see what we get next time, okay?
Actually 3 eagles.
We'll see what we get next time. Everybody got one? Yeah?
I got a lion.
A lion. Let me see, Tony. Can you show it?
Look at that tiger.
Or tiger, or lion, whatever it is.
Ooh, nice. Let me see, Gia.
Eagle.
An eagle. And then you gonna leave?
I got peacock.
Let me see. You don't like it? Let me see the peacock. Oh, it's pretty. Okay, let's go. And they also have the option of getting the train. If you guys want to walk, if you guys are a little bit tired, you guys can take the kids for a little ride around the park, which is so amazing, guys. I don't know how much to charge. Let me see how much they charge. It says $3 per person. Ages went up. That is super cool. Well, I think we're gonna have to wrap it up. We're done for today with all this shenanigans. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you guys have come to the Louisiana Zoo. If you're from Louisiana, let us know. I'd like to know if you guys enjoyed it as well. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.